Anyways, we're back with Alip. This guy. Well, if you don't know, I don't know where you've been. I don't know where you've been, because this guy is awesome, and as I said in the last Alip video, has been instrumental to what's up, cat? Kuching, young. Been instrumental in reinvigorating my fire to like put out more guitar-oriented content. So let's go. I'm excited. Of course, the master of harmonics over here, Alip. Let's go. Wait, am I at right speed? Yeah, he's just flying. Actually, I want to watch that F chord again, so I can show you what he's doing. I think I got it. You gotta respect that pause, where you just let the music sit. This is the part also, this was the opening of the video, but I thought maybe I could spot it so I could show you this too. Also, it's helpful for me to like, you know, learn stuff. Dang it. Oh, what? Hell yeah. Okay.